and welcome to a whole new episode of watching me struggle through life. Last time you watched us fit super duper side skirts really professionally, and we also fit a luggage rack so we can slap a big fat suitcase on top.
Ooh, that's sick, actually.
Why do you need such a big suitcase, Ivan?
Because we're not going on just any old road trip. We are going on a 4,000 kilometer ripper all the way from Ireland to Italy.
Well, we are ready to rock and roll. First step is to go and pick up my co-driver and then get the car packed, go drive from Dublin to Wexford to get the ferry to Spain. Alright, you need to see the vision. Hold this like this.
Wait, do it again.
Listen, I don't want to either, but I'm gonna have to if I want to keep my relationship. It'll do for now, I guess. Time to reset the trip meter and start the drive. Last time I was on this boat, I sat there feeling sick for the whole 30 hours or 36 hours it was. So this time, we're gonna be smart and actually take some seasick tablets. Oh my god. Now we are protected for the rough seas. We have arrived at the ferry port and there is a caterer. Does it make me a little bit happy that he's less comfortable than me? Kinda. We have successfully made it all the way to Wexford after a 150 kilometer quick hop. It was our maiden voyage with the big trunk on the back of us, so thankfully it didn't fall off, and I'm a bit more confident now for the rest of the trip. It's time to get the car loaded up and get cozy for the long night ahead. Morning one done on the ferry. Super foggy. You get rocked to sleep. I slept like 10 hours. We have one more night's sleep and then early morning tomorrow we get to Bilbao. The car is feeling great, other than the fact that the already slow car is now weighed down by like 40 kg worth of stuff. It has the world's biggest, flattest, widest wing on the back. So everywhere you drive, it's just getting slowed down even more, which is great. Either way, to kill the time here, there's a lot of stuff to do. There's a movie. I'm gonna watch Avatar in an hour at the cinema, and then I have a lot of work to get done because I'm actually getting a course ready for like-minded individuals to excel themselves in their field. So I'll keep you posted and bring you along for the ride. As I was saying earlier, guys, I have some serious business to take care of, so watch me conduct that business. Yeah, that's what's up. Oh my god. Well, that is 2 hours of my life I will never get back. We just landed in sunny Spain after our 36-hour ferry ride. Took it into some breakfast in the morning and mentally preparing for what's ahead. We have a 5-hour drive straight away, straight to Toulouse. Really tired, but I'm ready to get off this boat. It's been nearly 2 days. I munched away and finished my breakfast, got my bags packed up and ready to go, and then I said hello to sunny Spain.
Oh my god, look how nice that looks!
Off we go, our first big drive of the trip. 457 kilometers to put behind us. Let me put some clothes on. And by on, I mean around. Right, guys, we've been driving for 2 hours, having fun in the sun. It's a a sludgy 25 degrees over in France right now. Didn't notice, but there's a fuel crisis happening here. I think petrol was like €2.50 there, which is nuts. But slowly getting some heat stroke, but the car's doing well, we're doing well. On our way to Toulouse. I think we stopped like 5 times, you know? It is hot. Guys, now that no one's around, it is so hot in my car. I can't take it. I've like lost liters and liters of water already. It's not looking good. 30 minutes left. And then, you know what I mean? Good morning, San Diego. Welcome to the bright and sunny skies of Toulouse, of France. We have a beautiful drive once again, surprise, surprise, on this road trip. We shall be driving from here in Toulouse, France, to... Oh, shit. Damn. It's a 6-hour drive. Oh, do you have no tolls? Oh my god. That scared the life out of me. I thought that was going to be a 6-hour drive, but no. We have a 3-hour and 49-minute drive. Not bad. I'll be real. It's so hot in that car. Sitting at a nice 21 degrees right now, which isn't too bad, but it quickly jumps to 27, 29, 30, 32. Holy shit. Things are hot in this part of the world. Everything is red. No AC. When you have this is the problem that we found, right? When you have the roof down the whole time, a couple hours in, you get super tired because the sun is cooking you. We went through like 6 liters of water in like a couple hours yesterday. You know the way the temperature gauge never really goes past that, like that angle? For the first time ever, I've seen it do this. That's when you know it's hot. There's nothing to do other than get on it, huh? See ya in the car. Oh, fuck. Is there like tree sap all over this thing? Okay, just give me a sec. Whew. Nearly forgot to make the footwear switcheroo. Don't know if I explained this, but these are my driving shoes. Best purchase I've ever made. Alright guys, lesson 1 learned for the day. Don't park under trees because they have tree sap. Ruins everything. It's 5, 6, 7. Look at that. The Glaco glass is working. The window beating glass. Look at that. I just had to give it a wash. I could not live knowing that there was tree sap stuck to the outside of my car. It drove me crazy. But I found this little car wash which was really handy to just throw in and wash your car. But it meant that we were on the road a lot later than anticipated, and a whole new problem arose from that. We are 480 miles into the trip so far. We made a terrible mistake. We should have never done this. We want to go home. We're not actually broken down right now. We are just overheating just a little bit. That's okay. It is hot. It is in the 30s right now. We're going to cool down ourselves and the car for a little bit and then catch you at the next stop. Little did we know there was something called a fucking El Nino or something going on over Europe. And for some reason, this time they're not just calling it an El Nino.
Call this a super, mega, or even Godzilla El Nino.
Clearly I have not realised what we're actually in for. hello to my little friend.
It's going to be strong, really strong.
But over here at Danger to Manifold, we're not going to let something as simple as a global heat epidemic bring us down.
I am 26 years old, 27 in October, and I just learned how to swim. Kind of. I'm kind of drowning.
We were so dehydrated and we were dying, but we had to stop off a few times to try cool off. The car was overheating, I was overheating, like it was a fiasco. We're gonna be here, staying in this place to kind of recuperate for 2 days. Have a chill day today, not much driving. We're gonna start moving early so we can avoid the sun. We're gonna have to think about things like that. That shit can kill you, even in a first world European country. Don't underestimate anything. It's officially time to set sail for another big drive, but before I go, let me show you something cool. The guy that owns the Airbnb has this. Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to reality. Here's us celebrating the 1,000-mile mark. And then very shortly after, started overheating, so I employed the old trick. For anyone that doesn't know, you put the heater on full blast. Full blast, heater on. Takes the heat away from the engine, but it makes you want to die. The heat was finally starting to take a real toll on myself and the car, and I was starting to lose my mind, as you can see. So I employed tactical moves and drove through the night. So much so that we were about to hit our second 1,000-mile marker. Now that is one beautiful MX-5. We've officially reached our final waypoint of this trip, and it's time for one thing and one thing only. Ourselves and the car made it all the way from Ireland, through Spain, through France, through Monaco, and now landed in Tuscany in Italy. And the reason that we all flew out here and drove out here was so we can celebrate a very special day with one of our good friends.
We are here. Where are we? Here.
The secret to a great dip, yeah?
Don't fall. Don't be.
It's all knee support. It's all knee support. Oh! Boom! You're married forever now, yeah? As you can see, we have made it to Tuscany in, I'd call it one piece, but I don't know if it's one piece. 2,000 kilometers done. We made it to the wedding. We're enjoying ourselves, having a nice glass of water. And now we just have 2,000 more hot kilometers to do on the way back. If I break down, I'll put it on the video. Peace out. Thank you very much for watching.